Hey, today I'll show you how to upload YouTube Shorts on YouTube, and actually that's pretty simple. So before you upload something, make sure when you are editing the software, the format is not 1920 on 1080, it has to be 1080 by 1920. Okay, so this is the format of YouTube Shorts. It has to be the opposite, and basically you have to edit in this format. It doesn't matter what video editing software you're using, just use this resolution. Okay, 1080 on 1920, so it's not full HD. Just edit the video in that format, and what you want to do, go on YouTube and press on create, then upload the video as usual. I have a short I created that just for the purpose of this tutorial. Drag and drop here the video as usual. And now let's see what other things we have. This is the title, how to enable or disable dark mode in Google Chrome. Okay, I will leave the title as it is. Maybe you want to add some hashtags. People say that you don't need more than 3 hashtags to your videos, and of course you don't want to add plenty of them, because if you add a lot of keywords and if you spam it, YouTube may flag down your video, right? So I'll just use hashtag shorts. Okay, the description, maybe I will use just a simple description. Did you know that you can enable or disable the dark mode in Google Chrome with just few clicks? Alright, I will keep a simple description. Maybe I will add another hashtag here, Chrome. Okay, and let's playlist. I don't want a playlist. No, it's not made for kids. My video does not contain a promotion. Okay, altered content. No, it's not the case. Tags, yes, maybe I can add the title, Google Chrome, and Google Chrome in one. Okay, dark mode, Chrome dark mode. And I think that's it. I don't want to spam it. You'll find in YouTube guidelines you don't want to spam the keywords, right? Because your video will be flagged down, and you don't want to do that. Recording date, I will put today, because you have a filter on YouTube when you search something by date, by most recent. That's why I always put the date when I'm uploading that. Short remixing, allow videos and audio remixing of your videos, or maybe you want to allow just audio remixing. In the past you could disable that totally. Whatever the category, we can press on next, continue. This is for ads, because I want to allow ads on my videos, and my video does not contain any of the stuff which is here. Submit rating. You will have this option only if you are monetized on YouTube. If you are not monetized on YouTube, that extra step will not be there. Let's press on next again, and now you can choose when you want to post that video. If you choose public right now, it will be uploaded right now in this second, but I want to schedule it. Let's see, tomorrow is Friday. Let's put tomorrow the video at 6 p.m. Yeah, sounds awesome to me. And let's schedule this video. And right now you don't have to do anything. If you created this video in this format on 1080 by 1920, you have to upload this short as usual, and they will be automatically recognized from YouTube as being shorts. You don't have to upload them in a different section, just upload them as normal videos, and they will be flagged as shorts. As you can see, I can't see that video in the videos category. I can see this video in the shorts category, right? So this is how to upload a video on YouTube Shorts, a short video. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.